Now let's go with exercise 11.5 of the chapter factorization. Now this is based on the division of polynomials. Now let's go with question number 1. Here we are having 35x plus 28 divided by 5x plus 4. Now this can be written as 35x plus 28 upon 5x plus 4. Now here we can't divide this number by this one as it is. So very first of all, we are going to factorize this one, and we can take 7 common from here, and we can write this one as 7 5x plus 4, and here 5x plus 4. Now this whole bracket can be cancelled by this one in one time. Make sure we are not going to cut them individually. We are going to cut this whole bracket at a time, and here we get 7 as answer. Now let's see the second part of this question. Here we are having 7p square q square in a bracket 9r minus 27 divided by 63pq and r minus 3 in a bracket. Very first of all, we are going to write this one in a form of numerator and denominator. So this one, then 9r minus 27 whole upon 63pq and r minus 3. Now 7 9s are 63, and this p can cancel out this square, and this q can also cancel out this square. Then from the bracket we can take 9 as common. So we are going to have pq into 9 r minus 3 whole upon 9 into r minus 3. Now this 9 can be cancelled again, and r minus 3 will be cancelled by this r minus 3, and we will be left with pq as answer. Now let's go with question number 2, first part. And here we are having this 6 into 2x plus 7 in a bracket into 5x minus 3 in a bracket, then 3 into 5x minus 3. Now first of all, write in the form of numerator and denominator. So 2x plus 7, 5x minus 3 whole upon 3 5x minus 3. Now this whole bracket can be cancelled by this. 3 can cancel out this 6 by 2, and we're left with 2 in bracket 2x plus 7 as answer. Now let's see question number second part. Here we are having 33pq in a bracket p plus 3 and q 2q minus 5, and divided by 11p and 2q minus 5. Now place the values. This is 33pq, p plus 3, 2q minus 5 whole upon 11p and 2q minus 5. Now this 2q minus 5 is cancelled by this one. P is cancelled by p, and 11 is cancelled by here. We get 3. So 3q and p plus 3 as answer. Now let's go with question number 3, first part. Here we are having 7x cube minus 63x divided by 7x minus 3. Now here this can be written as 7x cube minus 63x whole upon 7x minus 3. Now we can't cancel it like this. So very first of all, we can take 7 and x common from here, and we will be getting 7x x square minus 9 whole upon 7 and x minus 3. Now we can cancel this 7 by this 7, and here this is in a form of x square minus 3 square. This 9 can be written as 3 square. So we are going to write this one as x square minus 3 square whole upon x minus 3. Now here we can use the identity, that is x minus 3 and x plus 3 whole upon x minus 3 as it is copied. And now this whole can be cancelled by this, and we'll left with x and x plus 3 as answer. Now let's go with question number 3, second part. And here we are having 3p square plus 17p plus 10 divided by p plus 5. Very first of all, we are going to factorize this, and for factorizing this, we are going to use the splitting in a middle term method, and for that we are going to multiply 3 by 10, and that is 30. And the factors of 30 are 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. Now we have to add to get 17. So here we are having 2 and 15, and this will be added, and this can be written as 3p square plus 2p plus 15p plus 10. Now we can take p common from these two and we're left with 3p plus 2, and from here we can take 5 common and we're left with 3p plus 2. Then 3p plus 2 can be taken common and we're left with p plus 5. Now we'll go for this question, and here this upon this, that is this upon this one, 3p plus 2 into p plus 5 whole upon p plus 5, and now this is cancelled by this one and we're left with 3p plus 2 as answer. Now let's go with the third part of this question number 3, and here we are having 10xy 14y square plus 43y minus 21 divided by 5x 7y minus 3. Very first of all, we are going to factorize this by using the splitting middle term. Now here 14 into 21, that is 294, and the prime factorization of 294 is 2, 3, 7 and 7. Now we are going to make two sets, that is 7 into 7 49 and 2 into 3 6, and 49 minus 6 will be 43. So this can be written as 14y square plus 49y minus 6y minus 21. Now from these two we can take 7y as common and we'll left with 7y, then 2y plus 7 from here, and from these two we can take 3 as common minus 3, so 2y plus 7, and now 2y plus 7 can be taken as common from these two, 7y minus 3. Now we are going to write this whole expression over here, and this will become 10xy, and in place of this we are going to write this one 2y plus 7 and 7y minus 3 whole upon 5x 7y minus 3. Now this whole can be cancelled by this one. 5 will be cancelling this to get 2 and x will be cancelling to get this one. So this is 2y plus 7 as answer. Now let's go with question number 3, fourth part. And here we are having 12pqr in a bracket 6p square minus 13pq plus 6q square and divided by 6pq 2p minus 3q. Now very first of all we are going to factorize this, and this will be 6p square minus 13pq plus 6q square. Now the product of 6 and 6, that is 36, and the factors of 36 are these all, and we have to see the sum of 13. So 9 and 4 will be added to give the sum of 13. So we can write this one as 6p square minus 4pq and minus 9pq plus 6q square. Now we can take the common of 2p from here, so 2p, and we're left with 3p minus 2q, and from these two we can take minus 3q as common and we're left with 3p minus 2q, and when we take 3p minus 2q as common and we're left with 2p minus 3q. Then we are going to write this one in a division form, and by doing so we'll be having 12pqr, and in place of this one we are going to write these two, that is 3p minus 2q and 2p minus 3q whole upon this one, that is 6pq 2p minus 3q. Now this is cancelled by this one, and here 6 is going to cancel this to get 2, p will cancel p and q will cancel q, and we're left with 2r and this bracket, that is 3p minus 2q as answer. That's all in this video. Thank you.